You all are fine? Yes. Yes, children, today we learn first class social studies. Yes. Everyone take out social textbook. Yes, children, already we learned 15th lesson part 1 completed. Isn't it, children? Yes. Now, children, 15th lesson part 2. Yes, children. 15th lesson part 2, air and water. Yes, children. See page number 80. We get from water, ocean, seas, rivers, lakes, streams, ponds, wells and rain. Yes, children. See, children, here some pictures are there. Well, sea, tap, stream, lake, pond, oceans. We all are get stream and rainwater, children. These all are rainwater. Okay, children. We have pipes and taps in our homes that help us get water. Yes, children. We have pipes and taps in homes to help us get water. Yes, children. Well, see, children, here well, sea, tap, stream, lake, pond and ocean. Yes, children, these are all what, children, we get from oceans, okay? And children, we have pipes and taps in our homes that help us get water, clean water. We should always drink clean water. Yes, children. We should drink clean water, not a dirty water. Okay? Drinking dirty water can make us fall sick. Yes, children. We drink dirty water, we fall, make a sick and go to hospital. Animals and birds can fall sick if they drink dirty water. Yes, children, animal and birds. Yes, animals and birds also, they dirty drink water, they also fall sick and die. Okay, children, we should never throw garbage into lakes, rivers and their sources of water. We should never throw garbage. Yes, children. We should never throw garbage into lakes. Yes, children. These are lakes, ponds, ocean, taps, wells, seas, sources of water. Okay, children. Yes. Well. Repeat, children. W-E-L-L, well. S-E-A-C, T-A-P, tap. Stream, S-T-R-E-A-M, stream. Lake, L-A-K-E, lake, P-O-N-D, pond, O-C-E-A-N, ocean. These all are sources of water. Okay, children? Understood? Yes. Now, children, everyone take out your social classwork book. I'll give some sentences, children. Write neatly in your classwork book. Okay? Open, children. Yes, children, ready? Ready with sharpener, pencil, eraser. Sharpen your pencil neatly, children, and everyone should write neatly. Okay? Yes. Write classwork, social classwork. Heading. Okay, children, ready? Yes. Yes, children. First one, class work. First one is need for air. Need, F-O-R for air. A-I-R, air. Second one, clean air is important. Yes, children, clean air is important. Smokes dirty, makes air dirty. And fourth one, we should drink clean water. We should drink clean water. Yes, children, write neatly. 1, 2, 3, 4, and fifth one. Yes, children, we need water to live. Water to live. Yes, children, write neatly in your classwork book. Now, yes, children, start children writing. Yes, children, everyone should Write neatly in your class notebook. Write neatly, children. Yes, children, finish. Yes. Finish, children, these sentences in your class notebook written. Yes. Now, children, repeat, children, everyone. Need for air. Need for air. Clean air is important. Clean air is important. Smokes makes air dirty. Smokes makes air dirty. We should drink clean water. We should drink clean water. We need water to live. Yes, children. Need for air. N-E-E-D, need. F-O-R, for. A-I-R, air. Need for air. N-E-E-D, need. F-O-R, for. A-I-R, need for air. Clean air is important. C-L-E-A-N, clean. A-I-R, air. I-S is I-M-O-I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T, important. Clean air is important. C-L-E-A-N, clean. A-I-R, air. I-S is I-M-P-O-R-T-A-N-T. Clean air is important. Smokes makes air dirty. Yes, children. Smokes makes air dirty. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. M-A-K-E, make. A-I-R, air. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Smokes makes air dirty. Smoke. S-M-O-K-E, smoke. Make. M-A-K-E, make. A-I-R, air. D-I-R-T-Y, dirty. Smoke make air dirty. We should drink clean water. We should drink clean water. W-E-V-S-H-O-U-L-D, should. D-R-I-N-K, drink. C-L-E-A-N, clean. W-A-T-E-R, water. We should drink clean water. W-E-V-S-H-O-U-L-D, should. G-R-I-N-K, drink. C-L-E-A-N, clean. W-A-T-E-R, water. We should drink clean water. We need water to live. Yes, children, we need water to live. Yes, children, W-E-V-N-E-D, need. W-A-T-E-R, water. T-O-2, L-I-V-E, live. We need water to live. W-E-V-N-E-D, need. W-A-T-E-R, water. T-O-2, L-I-V-E, live. Everyone repeat, children. Need for air. Need for air. Clean air is important. Clean air is important. Clean air is important. Smoke makes air dirty. Smoke make air dirty. We should drink clean water. We should drink clean water. We need water to live. Finish, children? Yes. Need for air. Clean air is important. Smoke makes air dirty. We should drink clean water. We need water to live. Yes, children. Finish? Yes, children. Next. Turn the page. And A bit. What is the A bit, children? See the textbook. Yes, children. A bit. See a bit, children. Yes. Look at the picture. Yes, children. Look at the picture. Write the things that need water. A bit. Look at the picture and write the things need water. Yes, children. Here first picture is architecture. See, children. They are painting. They need water, children. Painting, they need water? No. And potter, second picture is potter. Yes, children, potter is need to water. So write, tick it, children, write. And this is carpenter. Carpenter need water, children? No. And mason, yes, children, mason need to water. So tick it, write the. Okay, children? See, children, choose the correct answers. Yes, children. B bit. Choose the correct answers. First one, children. We should dash the taps after using them. We should dash the taps after using them. Yes, children. We use tap after using them. What, children? Turn off and turn on. Yes. After using them, tap, turn off. So answer is turn off. Yes. Second one. We should not drink dash water. We should not drink what water, children? Dirty water. Yes, dirty water. And third one, water is dash, useless, important. Important. Water is important. 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 And fourth one, we need water. Breathing and cooking. Yes, children. Cooking. 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 Right, children? And one more, children. We get water in our home with the help of pipes. This is fifth one. And fourth one is, answer is pipes. PIPS. Yes, children. We get water in our homes with the help of pipes. Here write, children. Everyone here write and write neatly, children. Start writing. Yes, children, finish. Choose the correct answer. We should turn off the taps after using them. Okay, children? We should not drink dirty water. Water is important. We get power in our home with the help of pipes. We need water for cooking. Yes, finish, children? Next, children, C bit. Tick the things Yes. Tick the things. See it. Tick the things that can be done to keep the airy and clean water. Clean water. Yes, children. First one, burn leaves and crackers. Wrong. Plants and trees. Right. And third, never throw garbage in the leak or seas. Third one, wrong. Walk a short distance. Right. Yes, children, here, right, children. Yes, children. Right, wrong, wrong, right, wrong, right. Yes, children. Take the right you would do to the situation. You see that one of the taps in your house is leaking. Children, correct the right mark. What you would do the situation. Suppose, children, your house is leaking. What you do, children? Situation, what you do? Tell your parents immediately. Yes. Think. Put a right mark, children. Think. Tell your parents immediately. Right. B1. Try to fix it yourself. Wrong. Let it leak. Wrong. Right, wrong, wrong. Write neatly, children. Yes, children, finish. See, children, life skills value. Circle the people who are not dirtying the air. First one is the boy is planting the tree, children. Circle, and the girl is cycling. Yes, children, the two members are not dirtying the air. Okay, children, circle. Okay, children, enjoy. Let us make a wind chime. Yes, let us make a wind chime. You will need a 5 long sticks. Here, children, see this one. Okay, enjoy, children. You do, children, this one. You will need a 5 long sticks, 5 strings of equal length, and one the thick bangle. Take the sticks and tie them to the strings. Then tie the other end of the strings to the bangle. Now tie a long string at the center of the bangle of an hanging. Your wind chime is ready. Yes, children. See, children, here. You do it yourself only, children. Okay? Yes, your lesson is finished. Your notes is finished. Okay, children. Today, what we will learn, children? We learn oceans. Okay, children, we learn oceans, well, sea, tap, stream, lake, pond, and okay, children, and clean water. We should drink always clean water. We drink dirty water, we fall sick and then go to doctor. Okay, children, birds and animals also drink what, children? Clean water. Okay, understood, children? Yes, your lesson is finished, your notes is finished. Now it's time for Sakshi. Yes, children. Sakshi, homework. Yes, children. This one. Be bit. Choose the correct answers. Be bit. Page number 81. Choose the correct answers. Yes, children, homework one time. Right, Sakshi children, Sakshi homework. B bit, page number 81, choose the correct answer over 1. This one children, we should turn off the taps after using them. We should not drink dirty water. Water is important. We get water in our home with the help of pipes. We get water in our home with our help of pipe. We need water for cooking. Yes, children, this B bit, choose the correct answer. Write one time homework in your classwork book. Understood? Your homework is finished. You take the pic and send me school mail ID. My school, my homework @gmail.com. You send me your homework, children. Understood? Okay, children. Will you meet you next class? Bye. Take care.